I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw an origami fairy. So origami is a Japanese art form that is like folding paper into elaborate shapes, and it's always using paper. It's so to draw the origami fairy, it's like origami is all sort of angles and folds. I'm just drawing in like these abstract shapes, triangles mostly, and it's been folded to end up looking like a fairy. And hopefully it will start to take form as I draw in all these angles. There's the wings. There's a lot of different forms of origami. There's also a legend that if you fold 1,000 paper cranes, that you get a wish granted. And so there's some creases for the wings. So it's sort of abstract, but you can see the shape of the fairy in there. And this would have been made from a folded square of paper. And that is how I draw an origami fairy.